Okay, my TD Bank stock hacking strategy journey starting at August 1st, 2018. So from 2018, August, I plan to invest $5,000 Canadian dollars per month on TD Bank stock. And I will every month I will review the investment portfolio. Why I decided to invest $5,000 per month? Because I'm retiring. I quit my job next month because I have enough cash flow from my investment portfolio to support myself and my family. So I decided to quit my day job and just focus on my own business. And also, I want to be my own boss. I I talked to a guy, a financial advisor at BMO Bank, and he asked me one question. So after you quit your job, how you will support your daily, I mean, day-to-day living expense? I told him I will borrow $5,000 from BMO every month to cover my day-to-day living expense. And I want to explain why. I have more than $5,000 income from my investment portfolio, so I don't really need to borrow money. But I decided instead to spend $5,000 from my investment portfolio cash flow, I want to borrow the money for my day-to-day living expense. And I want to invest my own income from my investment portfolio, reinvest into stock market. Why I want to do that? Because I want to make more money. Even I already quit my job, I have enough cash flow from my investment portfolio. I still want to make more money. So this actually, there's a long story behind that, because in 2011, when I discussed the investing strategy online with some friends, at one time, one lady asked the question. She said, if I want to invest $2,000 per month into TD stocks, how should I do it? And of course, we discussed it and about this, because this happened almost 7 years ago. So a couple months ago, actually, I reviewed this case, and I wrote some articles posted online. So what happened is, if this lady really followed the strategy, invest $2,000 per month on the TD stocks, then today, after 7 years, he should be able to, I think it's close to 400,000 something. So in another 3 years, he will be able to have a portfolio in the TD stocks, which can generate the annual return more than her salary. Okay, so that's the reason why I think about this, because I quit my full-time job, so I don't have any paycheck. and I want to make some money, even I don't work. So what happens is, if I invest $5,000 per month into TD stocks, and the TD Bank stock can keep the historic average return, which is between 13 to 15% a year, then in 20 years, I will be able to have around $5 million. So with the $5 million for 20 years, and I borrow $5,000 per month for 20 years, this is 1.2 million, plus the interest, which is between 4 to 5% a year. So it will be $1.8 million. But the investment return can be more than $5 million. So I can have $3 million profit before tax. This is equal to, I would say, 20 years salary, including the inflation. So basically, my strategy is, instead spend the money, I want to invest, and I borrow the money to cover their living expense. For 20 years, I want all my money back, and I want to have the 3 million profit, which most likely equals to 20 years salary. I'm talking about the typical middle class. This is my strategy. So I recorded this video and I will post it so everybody know what I'm going to do. So every month I will review it. I will review this investment strategy, and so everybody can see whether it works or not.